Hello, welcome to Daily Learning with PRJ. Simply open the youtube.com in your favorite browser. I have already opened it in Google Chrome. And then go to your logo, profile logo. Go to your profile logo for adding the keywords in your profile. Simply click on it. After clicking it, click on YouTube Studio. Okay, new page open. After that, click on Creator Studio Classic. After clicking, again click on a specific feature I need to use it missing. Click on that. Okay, and press submit. After submitting, new page open. After that, click on the channel option. Okay, after clicking on channel, you will find this option. In this page, go to down and click on advanced. Click on advanced option. Okay, advanced. After clicking on advanced, here you find the channel keywords. So you have to put the keywords in this box. Put the keywords like technical videos, educational videos. Actually, what type of videos you made, put that type of keywords. I made technical videos, educational videos, so I add keywords. Simply write the keyword name and press comma option. After pressing comma, press space. After adding all the keywords you need, then simply scroll down and click on save option. After clicking on save, your keywords will save. Thanks for watching.